In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links and buy buttons. We'll walk through this step by step so you can start accepting payments online quickly, whether you're selling a product, a service, or collecting donations. First, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. There, you should see a button labeled Create with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, choose either payment link or QR code or payment buttons, depending on what you want to create. After you click your choice, you'll be taken to a setup page. Here is where you decide whether you want a payment link or QR code, or if you want an embedded payment button for your website. A payment link or QR code is great for sharing in emails, messages, or social media. Payment buttons are ideal if you have a website and want a clickable button directly on your pages. Next, enter the item name and, if you like, add a short description. This is optional but helpful because your customers will see it and know exactly what they're paying for. Then move to the price section. Click on the first price field and you'll have two options. You can set one fixed price, which is perfect for a standard product or service, or you can choose a customer set price, which lets people enter the amount themselves. When you select customer set price, make sure to add a clear price label so customers understand what they're entering. Then choose the currency you want to use from the drop-down list. You can now enable images for your item. Turn this on if you want to visually showcase your product and upload up to 5 images. This can really increase trust and clarity for your buyers. You can also enable button labels, which allows you to customize what your PayPal and checkout buttons say. For example, buy now or donate. If you click on more options, you'll see additional settings. Here you can allow customer notes so buyers can leave special instructions, add a product ID to help you track items, set up variants like sizes or colors, and manage basic inventory so customers don't purchase items that are out of stock. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your link or button as you make changes. Take a moment to review how everything looks. When you're happy with it, click Build It at the top right corner. The page will then load your final result. If you chose a payment link or QR code, you'll see a shareable link and a QR image you can download. If you selected payment buttons, you'll be given HTML code that you can copy and paste into your website to display your new PayPal button.